Hello, my name is Juan Barrera. I'm with Auto Solutions out in Orlando, Florida, and I'm here to give you guys the experience I've had with using Turnkey Marketing. I've been using them for over 2 years now, and it's very important if you want to grow your business, if you want to constantly maintain busy, to have marketing campaigns up and running. And I know that as shop owners, we tend to be busy with the day-to-day on the business, and we forget to do marketing campaigns, or we may send out a marketing campaign and it doesn't bring anything, and we say marketing doesn't work. It's very important, the message, the kind of offer that you put in there, the pictures. And we don't have that education. And Carolyn specializes in marketing, especially in the automotive field. She's already done the research. She knows what works, what doesn't work. And I highly recommend her. She will sit down with you and go over your numbers, go over your goals, what you're looking to bring into the shop, and she will make it happen for you guys. I invite you to give her a call. Reach out to her on Facebook, or you can reach out to me on Facebook also, and I could give you a little more information on her.